UN chief strongly condemns attack against civilians in the Harbor of Niger. France will reopen after 7-year its embassy in Libya next Monday. Mideast Quartet discussed reviewing meaningful Israel-Palestinian peace talks. North Korea has test-fired 2 short-range missiles. UAE Finance Minister Hamdan bin Rashid passes away aged 75. Pakistan has welcomed the recent effort to re-energize the peace process in Afghanistan. Chinese Foreign Minister revealed initiative to protect Mideast Al Arabiya. Dubai ruler approves government restructuring.